Which course to choose? We advise you to choose the one that suits your goals. As a rule, a 120-hour TEFL/TESOL certificate is sufficient for employers. They indicate a 120-hour TEFL/TESOL certification as a minimum requirement in their job postings. If you plan to teach online as well, we recommend choosing the master package of 150 hours. This course contains the same modules as the 120-hour course, plus the special course, Teaching English Online. The difference in the 250-hour course is that in addition to the module on teaching online, there is also Teaching English to Young Learners and Teaching Business English. In addition, the expert package also has a bonus special course on how to find a job quickly, how to write a resume, prepare for interviews, make video presentations and demonstration lessons, and so on. Another nice bonus for those who choose the 250-hour TEFL/TESOL course is a recommendation letter from the British Centre. If you decide to purchase a 120 or 150-hour course first, you also have the option to purchase individual special courses that are already included in the expert package. The content of each course is available on the website in the FAQ section, www.TEFL-TESOL-certification.com/FAQ. How do I get access to the course? It's easy to do. Please fill in the information for registration for the course at the British Centre on our website, TEFL-TESOL-certification.com/registration. After registering, you will get on your account at the learning platform. Click on the Buy Main Course link, choose the payment method and the course package, and then proceed with the payment. Automatically, after the successful payment, the course will appear in the My Courses section. You will have access to the TEFL/TESOL course for 6 months for the Pro and Master packages, and 8 months for the Expert package. If you complete the course and receive your certificate earlier, you will still have access to the course until the end of the period granted. How does the training go? You study at a convenient time from anywhere in the world, determining the schedule and pace of training yourself. Some students complete the course in a couple of weeks, others in a couple of months, depending on how much time per day you are willing to allocate to training. If you study for 5 hours a day, you can complete the course in a couple of weeks. If half an hour a day, then a couple of months. Training materials are video, audio, and text files. You study the course materials independently and at your own pace. Each module contains assignments. There are 2 categories of assignments, formative and summative. Formative are assignments that require you to answer questions in full, in your own words. Grades for such tasks are not assigned. Summative are interactive tests at the end of each module. Scores for the test affect the final grade, which is displayed in the certificate. You will have 3 attempts for each test and 2 attempts for the final test. All the tests are based on the knowledge you gained during the course. They are easy to pass with a high score if you study. There is also a lesson plan assignment that is graded by your personal native speaker trainer. Instructions on how to properly complete this assignment and a lesson plan template are included. You will have 2 attempts to complete and pass this assignment. You will be able to ask your trainer academic questions during the course. What level of English is required for this course? A minimum level of English to take the course is B1. No previous experience or teaching qualifications are required. Each student is personally responsible for his or her level of English competence. Having a level of English below B1 will make it difficult for you to take the course and work in the future. Every student can take a preliminary test to determine the level of English at www.TEFL-TESOL-certification.com/test. If you have a test score above 48%, then taking the TEFL/TESOL course will not be difficult for you. If your score is below 48%, it doesn't mean you can't take the course, it just means you'll need to make an effort to understand the material. Also, we always recommend taking the test at least twice, because the first time you take the test, you do not know what to expect. You might have been distracted by something, or the question might have been misunderstood, so don't jump to conclusions. If you are unhappy with your score, take the test again. And remember that each TEFL/TESOL package includes CLIL, Content and Language Integrated Learning, which is quite often used to describe a method of teaching a subject through the medium of a foreign language, the main purpose of which is to learn the subject and improve your language skills in the foreign language. So while taking the course, you will be able to improve your level of English. What accreditation do you have? We are official partners of accreditation.co.uk, which is based in the UK and is an international accreditation body. Our accreditation number is 10003945. The ACRIN certificate is an international certification standard for English language teachers and is a license to teach English around the world. The certificate is recognised by employers around the world. It is accredited by the British government. The document number is 12190935. If necessary, it is possible to order consular legalisation of the certificate. It means that the consul of the country where you plan to work, at the embassy on the territory of the country where the certificate was obtained, in our case, the territory of Great Britain, will confirm that your TESOL/TEFL certificate is an official document. Typically, employers are sufficient certificates in PDF format. The main thing, it is a unique number to verify the authenticity of the certificate, that it was issued in your name. But if you need a hard copy of the certificate, you can order its delivery. The cost of shipping from the UK starts from $35. After you receive the digital certificate, you may order a hard copy of the certificate at any time, as your certificate has no expiration date. Hurry up to get your bonuses! A limited time offer! 50% discount on any package. Lifetime job search assistance. This bonus is available for the first 100 customers who will buy the course at the promotional price. What does the Lifetime Job Assistance service mean? An assistant helps you create a CV for a job application, offers you vaccines in the countries you are interested in and with suitable offline working conditions, or offers you vaccines for teaching remotely from anywhere in the world for working online. Access to the updated database of vaccines remains for our clients for a lifetime. Another pleasant bonus is a personal native speaker trainer. You can ask him academic questions during the learning process. And a nice gift for all students is the book, 100 Ideas for Teaching English. It is an invaluable source of ideas and inspiration for new and experienced English teachers. The book details fascinating lesson plans and material presentation patterns. And since our company does appreciate the feedback from our customers, everyone who is taking or has already taken our courses has the opportunity to get $20 cashback for video feedback. A cashback for feedback, likes and subscriptions can be received at least 30 days after the payment. You need time to go through the course and figure out what your video recording would be about. Hurry up to book a course with additional benefits. The gifts are worth $209. They will be free of charge for you.